I'm Alicia with Compton Orthodontics, and during this time of uncertainty, we want to make sure that you're aware that we are still here for you. We will be offering virtual consults. We'll supply the number that you'll be able to call, and we'll be able to FaceTime with you and chat with you about your concerns and your future treatment options. And so today I'm going to talk to you about how we can take some photos to better review your cases. So you're going to need a few things. First of all, wash your hands, which I've already done. Second of all, get a friend. Third, you may want to respect some social distancing, of course. And then we're going to take a few photos. You just need a couple of spoons. You're going to place them curved side out in your cheek. You're going to hold them, bite, and smile, just like this. We'll take some photos. And then you want to place them once again, cheek side out. Turn to the side and take that photo. You want to put the other side in, turn to the side, take that photo. Then you want to open, show as much of the tooth surface as you can, look down. Same thing to the top. Once your fan has taken those photos, you want to stop, look forward, don't smile, take this photo. You want to smile as big as you can, bite together. Then turn to your left. Don't smile, and let your friend take that photo. If you have any areas of concern, anything you really want to point out, you can take those photos close up, and we will go over those with your virtual consult. If you have any questions, absolutely give us a call, and we look forward to hearing from you.